Welcome. Jenny here. Today, I'll show you how to create detailed characters using the new Create AI Vitals feature, making character creation faster and easier than ever. Start by clicking the Characters tab from your profile dashboard. Then, click the button to create a new character. A pop-up window will appear with a detailed form. You can fill out your character's details across 5 sections: basic info, physical traits, personality, background, and character arc. This helps you build rich, compelling characters for your story. If you want to save time, simply click the Generate AI Vital button. The AI will auto-generate a character profile including key features. Just wait a moment for the generation to complete. Once the AI finishes, review each section carefully and fill in any missing information or tweak the details to fit your story perfectly. When you're happy with your character, click the Create Character button to save it. And that's how easy it is to create rich, detailed characters with Instant Author's new AI Vitals feature. Give it a try and bring your stories to life with dynamic characters you'll love. Happy writing!